For those of you who are super fans of Ripple, XRP, right? I'm sure you are all aware that Ripple is the mother company that created XRP, right? XRP is a project of Ripple, and Ripple is a financial company on its own, just like the way Alphabet is the owner of Google, YouTube, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Maps, and all that, right? Now, Ripple, XRP itself, is the 6th largest and most expensive and most valuable cryptocurrency in the whole world. It's the number 6 in the whole world right now, the 6th most valuable cryptocurrency. But some of you are asking, okay, what is this? Or you should be asking, why is this Ripple so important? Why is it that Ripple has been among the top 10 best performing cryptocurrency within the last 10 years? Ripple has never left, it has never left that ranking of the top 10. Right now, as we speak, is the number 6, right? But it has not gone out of that top 10 for the past 10 years. It has been within the top 10. And what's so special about Ripple? Some of you are already giving up about XRP. Listen, I'm not one of those fans who push XRP here and there and all of that. But one thing you must understand about me is that I'm a businessman, I'm an investor, I'm a cryptocurrency enthusiast, right? I am open to every opportunity, but I am not married to one single opportunity. I diversify. Today I'm here, tomorrow I'm there, whatever gives me money. Do you understand? Remember, let me just take you guys a little bit down memory lane. You remember in the Holy Book, right? It took God 4 good rivers to water the Garden of Eden. The Garden of Eden where Adam and Eve lived, right? It took God 4 rivers to water that garden. Are you saying that one river is not enough to water just a garden? Why do you need 4 rivers bringing water into just one garden? One garden, why do you need 4 rivers bringing in water there?
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.
One source of income cannot sustain you. Let me tell you something. A lot of people will tell you, no. Just focus on one thing, be perfect in it. Let me tell you people something. Keep that thing aside.
This is not a financial advice. Do your own research.
Are you aware that Elon Musk, the world's richest man today, is running 6 different companies? Number 1, we have Tesla, which is the electric car company. Number 2, we have Starlink, which is the internet satellite company. Number 3, we have X, which is formerly known as Twitter. Number 4, we have Neuralink. Neuralink is a company where they are planting chips, right? Electronic microchip, microcontroller chips into human brain. Therefore, you can just imagine something. Maybe you want to type, and whatever you are thinking in your head, the computer will just be typing it because there is a chip in your brain that is connecting wirelessly to the computer system. That's Neuralink. It is also Elon Musk. Elon Musk also have XAI, which is also another company, his own company that is specialized in building artificial intelligence platform. Are you getting me now? And so many other ones. The guy have 6, but there are so many other ones that are not on the surface. If this guy, the richest man in the world, is running 6 companies all at the same time, in fact, I even forgot about SpaceX. SpaceX is a company where he's building rockets that is, going to the moon and to Mars and Jupiter and other planets. One man running more than 6 different companies all at the same time. And all of these companies are doing amazingly well. So is it you that you think you're smart and you want to focus yourself on just one particular project or just one particular source of income? There must be something wrong with your head if that is where you are thinking. But gentlemen, the reason why I'm making these videos, I want to tell people something about XRP, right? Now, before I do that, before I go further, I want you guys to listen to the video I'm going to play right now, right? It's a video of the former vice president of Nigeria, the former vice president of the most populous country, black nation in the whole world. Just take a listen at him and then I'll come back.
Of blockchain technology, digital assets, and cryptocurrencies. And let me say 2 things. First is that there is no question that blockchain technology generally, and cryptocurrencies in particular, will in the coming years challenge traditional banking, including reserve banking. in ways that we cannot yet imagine.
Now, before I go further, did you hear where he said that cryptocurrency has become inevitable? Do you understand? Cryptocurrency has become so important that it is now inevitable. Let's continue.
So we need to be prepared for that seismic shift. And it may come sooner than later. Already, remittance systems are being challenged. Blockchain technology will provide far cheaper options to the kind of fees being paid today for cross-border transfers by banks. I'm sure you're all aware of the challenge that the traditional SWIFT system is facing from new systems like Ripple, which is based on the blockchain distributed ledger technology with its own crypto tokens. So there are, of course, a whole range of digital assets spawned daily from blockchain technology.
Very important now. Listen again to this particular side. He said that Ripple, the Ripple company itself, whom are the creators of XRP, right now are challenging the global financial settlement system, which we all know as SWIFT.
I'm sure you're all aware of the challenge that the traditional SWIFT system is facing from new systems like Ripple, which is based on the blockchain distributed ledger technology with its own crypto tokens.
SWIFT is the company responsible for when maybe you transfer money from Ghana to somebody in the US and the person gets the money. SWIFT is like the envelope that carries your money from Ghana to Canada. Do you understand? Without SWIFT, the whole world cannot do transaction. You can't buy anything from Amazon. You can't buy anything from AliExpress. Whether you are in Nigeria, Cameroon, or Burkina Faso, you cannot do transaction with another country without the SWIFT payment system. And you just heard it from the Nigerian former vice president telling you that Ripple is already challenging that technology. And Ripple is a blockchain-based technology. It's a cryptocurrency-based technology. And it's challenging that system. What else do you need to let you understand that the world is changing right in front of you? What other evidence do you need? Listen to me. Like I've said in one of my videos before, I said, if you do not take actions now, if you do not begin to learn about this new revolution taking place right now, your children will end up working for our children. For those of you who think, oh, I want my children to go to the university, I want my children to become an engineer, an architect, a doctor, a lawyer, or whatsoever, they will end up working for us. Do you know why? Because we are taking advantage of the revolutionary shift in the history of mankind. We are capitalizing on that. We are building infrastructure and we are building lands in that area so that by the time people like you and your children who are going to the university that by the time they graduate, whatever they learn in that university will be useless to the society. By the time they come out from their school, our children will have already been landlords and your children will be coming to work for our children. I'm not saying this to despise you or to insult you. I am saying this to draw your attention to the reality of what is happening in the world today. I have been in cryptocurrency for over 8 years. Over 8 years. And I have witnessed 3 different cryptocurrency bull run. And I know what I'm telling you guys. I don't used to be a fan of XRP, but with the research and findings that I have made recently and what I've come to discover about XRP, bro, I don't care whether I'm a fan or not a fan. If I see money coming out from there, I will plug in. Are you getting me? Right now, as we speak right now, XRP is selling for just around $1. This coin can go, the last all-time high of XRP was almost around $3-something. So if you buy now, for example, right, and XRP goes back to its previous all-time high, that would be like 3 times your money. But imagine if XRP can do beyond that, especially considering the fact right now that we are having the first ever cryptocurrency friendly or cryptocurrency activated president coming into the United States White House as a president. We're talking about Donald Trump. And you guys know that this guy is a business giant. Donald Trump is a billionaire even before he became a politician, right? Right now you have a businessman who loves cryptocurrency, who wants to make America the headquarters of cryptocurrency, right? Whom have said that the American government will not be selling their bitcoins, They want to stockpile in fact, he is creating a ministry called the U.
So, as the final part of my plan today, I am announcing that if I am elected, it will be the policy of my administration, United States of America, to keep 100% of all the Bitcoin the U.S. government currently holds or acquires into the future. We'll keep 100%. I hope you do well, please. This will serve in effect as the core of the strategic national Bitcoin stockpile. As you know,
as Bitcoin stockpile strategic ministry or department that will be in charge of just buying and keeping and holding. Why? Because they have seen what the future looks like and they know that cryptocurrency is the money for the future, no longer the paper cash that we are thinking about. And here's one thing. Some of you think, BRICS is coming, BRICS is going to challenge the US dollar. That's a story for somebody who have no information, who is not educated, especially in the financial space. Let me tell you something. Is Bitcoin denoted in BRICS? The answer is no. Is Bitcoin, when I say denoted, I mean the value for Bitcoin. Is it pegged to the BRICS currency? No. Is it pegged to Russian ruble? No. Is it pegged to Nigerian naira? No. Is it pegged to Chinese yuan? No. Is it pegged to Japanese yen? No. Is it pegged to Indian rupees? No. Bitcoin is pegged to the United States dollars. Bitcoin is pegged to the US dollars. It is valued in dollars. It is not valued in your currency. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, you have to be looking at what dollar is in the market in order to buy Bitcoin. And you think you guys are going to come from one angle somewhere and create one new currency that is going to take over the US dollars, when cryptocurrency that is a worldwide global currency right now is valued in the United States dollars. Do you think Donald Trump doesn't know what he's doing by creating policies that will make Bitcoin become a very strategic reserve for the US government? You think he doesn't know what he's doing partnering with Elon Musk? Elon Musk that we all know that is a cryptocurrency freak person? Guys, listen. There are certain things that these people from the West will not tell you. If your own fellow Africans do not tell you, you are on your own. Are you getting me? There was a video I made one time and I said, do you know why no African billionaire is talking about cryptocurrency? It is because they don't care. They don't want you to know what they know. They don't want you to get as rich as they are. Look at Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy. Just 4 days ago, he bought over $2.6 billion worth of Bitcoin. And yesterday again, he has raised another $4.6 billion to buy more Bitcoins. Let me ask you, put the whole of Africa all together. The whole of Africa, all the countries in Africa put together. Tell me one company, one organization in Africa that has been able to raise $1 billion to invest in crypto. Even if they have done it, they will not tell you. Because I'm saying this because I'm telling you, right there out there in the media, there is no news of anything like that, that any African company or organization or group of companies came together and raised $1 billion to buy Bitcoin. They might be doing it behind closed doors without telling you, right? Or without making it known to the public. But it's up to you for yourself to fight for yourself. Listen, nobody is coming for you when it comes to financial liberation. Nobody is coming to help you guys. You've got to do it yourself, for yourself, and by yourself alone. And how can you do that? Is by watching content like what you're watching right now from Obicrypto Network. Remember, I've told you that Obicrypto Network is not just about crypto. We're talking about cryptocurrency. We're talking about AI. We're talking about technology. We're talking about artificial intelligence. We're talking about the metaverse. We're also talking about macroeconomics in general. That's what I do here on the Obicrypto platform. And guys, listen, in case you're not aware, we have already eaten up to 40% of the bull run. Yes. So if you think you're coming now, you want to invest in crypto, have it somewhere written in your mind or in your brain that you are 40% late. Okay? So you still have 60% to go. Yeah, it's a good one. It's still profitable, right? But just know it that you are 40% late. in the market right now, if it is now that you want to come into crypto, you are 40% late. If you want to know more about that, you can chat me up. I can maybe make a video about that to explain that for you guys. But right now, just have it at the back of your mind that you are 40% late if you are just trying to come into the market right now. Because the question I want to ask you here is, where were you since January 2024 when Bitcoin was $40,000? Is it now that Bitcoin is at 95,000 that you want to come in? Where were you when it was 40,000? You're coming in now at 95,000? Bro, you are 40% late in the market. But that does not mean you should just give up also and tell yourself, oh, you're not doing again. You're going to wait until Bitcoin goes down. What if it never gets down? What if it never goes down? The game has changed. Right now, we have the ETF in Bitcoin. We have Bitcoin ETF approved in America, in Hong Kong, and other countries. So, bro, it's a risk, but at the end of the day, he who takes no risk is nothing, will be nothing, and can never be anything. You must take risk. Okay? This is not a financial advice. Do what works for you. I'm just a regular guy on social media, creating content and talking about the world economy and the world financial system, and most importantly, the capital market. My name is Obicrypto with 8 years of experience in the crypto world, and I want you to always have the best. Subscribe to this channel and share the video with everyone that you care about. Obicrypto, over and out.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be real.
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.
This is not a financial advice. Do your own research.